What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Monica,
And your boy Carl.
and this is a redo of the crab legs mukbang. This time I made my own crab legs. As you can tell, this is everything. Um, and we're just gonna be doing a mukbang and talking, doing the story time or something. And yeah, we're gonna go from there.
And it looks good too.
It's hot, y'all. This is my first time making a seafood boil myself, and it's hot.
I haven't tasted yet, so I don't know. I like spicy stuff like that, but hey, it is what it is when it comes down to crab legs. I didn't even like crab legs until she turned me on to crab legs, so now I'm gonna see what these about that she cooked.
Alright, you ready?
And they get mixed.
I'm not gonna eat a lot, guys, because as I said, I ate them earlier while I was cooking them. You know, I was
Yeah.
tasting and all that stuff. So I'm not gonna eat a lot.
I'm gonna eat a lot because I haven't ate yet. Got work. Yeah, these crab legs working, so I had to eat the crab legs first. No, not really. I had to eat the crab legs because I like them now. Because I didn't eat crab
Give
legs.
you a couple of them.
I didn't eat crab legs, so she chopped me on to them. And I see they're pretty good. So we're going to see how hers is. Like you did in the restaurant.
So
Right, guys?
we're gonna talk about today, guys. First, I did a video last year when my son went off to school for the first time, and I was explaining to everybody how I cried and all that. I'm gonna see if I can find it. If I can find it, I'm gonna upload it. If not, oh well. But I'm just gonna explain it to you right now. So when my son went to school for the first time,
It's good.
I cried. You know, I made a video. He cried. Okay. So this year I forgot, which I don't even see how I forgot. I think I was just too busy with the school stuff and
Too
all
anxious. You're too anxious.
that. That too probably. But I forgot to do a video on my daughter, which is my last baby, uh, going to school for the first time. But her story isn't really as juicy and good
It's
as
good,
my
though. She liked it.
son's. Like I said, my son, he cried, and my daughter, she actually did good. Um, she didn't cry.
You're only 3.
She's only 3. She didn't cry. Ooh, like that one. She didn't cry. She had fun. She made friends, and I kind of think it was easier for her because her brother goes to the same school and she's right down the hall
Yeah.
from her. So I kind of think that was easy for her. But I wanted to make a video and I forgot.
The only reason our son cried because he wasn't used to being with us. So he thought we wouldn't come back to get him. We would just drop him off, leave him somewhere with a stranger. But like we talked to him, let him know that we was coming back to get him. And he said, yeah, he said we came back to get him. He's cool from the next day on.
Yeah, he got used to it pretty quick. But I'm just proud of my daughter because she didn't cry. And then I told you the next day, with my son, the next day, he didn't want to go back right away. But we told him, hey, you know, you have to go, you know, whatever, whatever. But my daughter, she was happy to go back. She's like, oh yeah, I'm ready to go. I love my school. I made friends. I like my teacher.
And she go to bed on time for school.
Yep. You know what, guys? Hold on. Before I get too far into this video, I don't want to be like the last video was. I want to check the volume. And I don't really know how, so I'm gonna scoot this over just a tinge.
Well, it's like Yeah, we did the video where we had no volume.
Yeah, that's why we're doing a redo, guys. Because we did a video, like I said, we did a video, a full video where we went and bought crab legs.
Yeah.
And we put the kids in that video too. You can go watch it if you like. But as I said, there is no sound. And that was my bad, guys, because we had used my house computer for that one. Oh, crap. We had used my house computer for that one. And I didn't know that my house computer volume was down or whatever. That was really good, guys. Look. Look.
Wow. How
I just cracked it. I'm telling you guys, normally I suck at cracking these things. I suck at it. But I think I did good this time. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's better than a restaurant, tell you the truth. Yeah.
It's so good, guys.
I feel kind of eat mine out of here. Nothing but hey.
Oh guys, I forgot to tell you too. Ooh, for my drinks, I'm just drinking water and
Yeah, right.
tropical punch Gatorade. I guess that's how you say it. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's not cold either, guys. I forgot to put it in the refrigerator.
This corn is good too, trust me.
Which one did you get? I put 2 in there. Regular corn with just butter and sugar, and then the other one with my seasoning and everything.
Good.
Thank you, honey. I honestly, guys, my husband is a very picky eater, so I honestly thought he was gonna be like, I didn't like it.
That's good.
I did everything on time.
How you gonna put the what kind of spice you put in?
All right, that's a funny story. Now, guys, this was a freak accident, if you should say. I bought the seasoning that I wanted to put in my stuff myself. And then when I get to the store, I got to one store that I was going to buy crab legs at, but the crabs are just small. As you guys can see, these are kind of big. You see it kind of big. Let me see if I can find a full one. This one, you see it's kind of big. These are kind of big. Well, the first store I went to, they were not that big. They were little. I mean, little.
I hate picking out something small.
Right, and I mean, when I say little, I mean like this. And everybody knows when you eat crab legs, it's not no good meat up in this like this. So I told him, I'm like, can you check in the back to see if you have any more bigger ones or better ones, you know, or whatever. And he, oh, I know what's back there. So I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna argue with this guy. So, but while I was there, he was telling me that him and my auntie, by the way, my auntie, the one that me and her did the hot noodle challenge. You guys can go check that out too on my channel. She told me, she said, her and him told me that I should buy the seafood seasoning in the box. Is that a ranch or something like that?
I think we got some.
Well, I didn't know if we had it or not, so I got it.
Yeah.
And then they told me that I should get crab boil in a bag. That's what it's called.
But don't let them tell you.
Well, as I said, this is my first time making this. So I didn't know what to get. And I really did not mean for it to be spicy because I made this, guys.
Spice is good though.
I made this for my family, my kids, all of us. So I didn't want it to be spicy, but it was a freak accident. I got spicy. I put the little bag boil, seasoned bag boil, whatever, in the pot. Let it boil or whatever. Okay, as that was cooking, I was tasting like the potatoes and the corn and the stuff, the eggs and the shrimps and the stuff that I had mixed in there. And when I had tasted one of the potatoes, I'm like, there's no season. So I double seasoned it.
Somebody got some spice in it.
Right. So I didn't know. But when we brought them out, me and my auntie tasted them. My auntie's like, it's good, but it's fat. It's spicy.
I mean, it's not that spicy. It's spicy, but not that spicy.
I think the only reason it's not as spicy now is because it kind of cooled down. Because I let it sit in the oven on warm for a minute, for a while. So, but when I first brought it out, oh, it was hot. My babies was running around the house about, it's hot, it's hot. I had to make them something else to eat.
Well, not these here, right?
Oh, they was dying for those.
Yeah.
Can I have those? I'm like, they're hot. I don't care.
Yeah, because once you bust the shell off of them, they ain't that hot.
Yeah, because I seasoned those. And I seasoned my shrimp. I seasoned those two. I'm sorry, guys, if you see me food all on my shirt and face and stuff. I'm sorry.
That's because it's good.
But this is my first time, and it was a success, and I'm glad.
You see, I ain't saying that because I'm trying to get down there.
Guys, let me tell you, where I live, you can go to the casino. Ooh, you did a perfect one. You can go to the casino and pay like $45 for one person.
Man,
one person, all you can eat.
uh-huh.
Or you can go to this place that we went to and pay, I think, like $16 or $17 for all you can eat. And they were good too. But the casino is the one that got me hooked on crab legs. I used to go with my mom, and my mom would have those little free coupons for kids or whatever, and all you can eat or whatever. And she would specifically take me on the day that they have all you can eat crab legs. And I would sit up there and just keep going back and back and back and eat crab legs. I mean, I love crab legs. And someone told me that they're not as fattening and stuff as like chicken and stuff like that. Don't get me wrong, I love my chicken. I love my chicken.
I don't. I hate chicken.
He don't like chicken because we cook chicken a lot. A lot.
Yeah.
But hey, chicken is good. I love it all.
Now I'm turned on to
Crab
steak.
legs.
I'd rather eat these than chicken.
So you telling me if I cook these every day, you'll eat them?
I would. I would. I mean, not with the potatoes and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
The corn, shrimp, and shell, I can deal with it.
I think the next thing I'm gonna do, guys, and I'm gonna let you guys. I'm gonna probably bring you guys along with me when I do that one. I'm probably gonna do a seafood gumbo now.
Damn, I haven't had any gumbo in a while.
Since the last time I made it.
I don't even have that taste right about now.
I think I might do that before the week is out. I'm gonna make some
Could you make the gumbo with the this stuff here?
A seafood gumbo.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going with this.
Yeah. Do you taste the lemon? I think
you already got the seasoning in it.
you don't taste the lemon. Certain things I taste it. I taste the lemon.
Remember, baby,
But
you take this here with the water and the juice and the shrimps, not the eggs, but
I make seafood gumbo.
yeah, yeah.
I probably
I
could.
think that'd be good.
I probably could.
Yeah.
But really, seafood gumbo is just all this that I have in here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. There's something else on
Yeah, maybe I have to look it up.
it. Hmm.
I have to look it up.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's see what kind of meat I pulled up out of this little bitty one. Oh,
They big enough, though.
hmm?
That's good. They're big enough. They good.
Oh yeah, cause the first, the first one. If you hadn't seen those first ones, you'd have been like, "Girl, you was out your mind." And you for the price I paid for them, you would have been like, if I paid that price for the little ones, you would have been like,
It's high.
$69.
Hmm.
$69.
$69. Mm-hmm.
And I only got 7 crab legs.
For $69.
Mhm.
Yeah.
But no. Oh, let me tell you guys about that.
They've been still in the store. Huh.
Right, see?
Mm.
This is why I don't let him go to the grocery store, guys. He'll be like, if it's too high, he'll be like, it'll be there.
Yeah.
But let me tell you guys about that too. So, if for you guys who don't know, don't laugh at me because this is my first time. As I said again, I do not know when buying crab legs and stuff like that. Okay, so there was a guy. It was 2 guys in there in the store where I bought the crab legs, where I got these actual crab legs. Okay, me and my auntie we walk into the store. My auntie told the guy, "Hey, we want, you know, 3 pounds of crab legs." Okay, he puts them up there. It was only like 4 of these guys clusters. They call these clusters. It was only 4 clusters.
Right.
I swear to you guys, this guy told me $86.
Whoa.
Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why. I don't know if you guys know this. No, wait. I don't know if you guys know this or not, okay?
Oh, excuse me.
They cannot sell fresh crab legs anymore.
Mhm.
I don't know why. He told me why, but I honestly don't remember. But they cannot sell fresh crab legs
I
anymore.
want to borrow them.
So, no. So, they are frozen. So, when they are frozen, they charge you for the ice that's on the crab legs as well.
Wow.
I kid you not. I swear to you. So he throws them up there with the ice on it, and me and my auntie were like, "Oh my God, really? $80-something dollars?" So the guy next to us, he goes, "Hey, I know you guys probably don't know." He's like, "But if you ask us to rinse them off for you, we can do that." But he said we can no longer sell fresh crab legs anymore. So I'm like, "Oh, okay." So me and my auntie's like, to the guy that was helping us, we're like, "Oh, okay. Can you rinse them off for us?" He tried to get all snotty. You didn't say rinse them off, and if you had to ask or something. Well, first of all, you already said we don't know, what's in what. So you didn't have to be rude about it. You could have just been like, "Hey, look here. If I rinse them off, that'll take the price down, you know." But no, he was so rude. He didn't even tell us that the guy the guy that was working with him had to tell us, and I'm just like, that is so rude.
Did you rinse them off?
Yeah, he rinsed them off, and when he rinsed them off, they went down to $40.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
So I said, okay. I said, go ahead and put me some more up on there. I told him to give me more until we get about $70. Yeah, I told him to rinse them off. So he went back and rinsed them off. Put some more up there.
They keep the ice.
Yeah. So all together, we walked out with 7 clusters. 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait. 6, 7, 8, 9. 6.
These things are high, ain't they?
Mm-hmm. 6 or 7 clusters. Because altogether, when I got done, I had 9 clusters.
Mm.
So I walked out of there with 6 or 7, and I had a few of them in my freezer already. So,
Yeah.
but I
That
did a
wasn't
good
bad.
job.
That wasn't bad.
You know the only thing I hate about these though?
What?
The house is gonna smell like fish for a while.
Uh,
When I was in there cooking this morning, I'm like, no, it's gonna
It's
smell like
okay.
fish.
Seafood, not fish.
Well, you know what I mean.
Yeah.
You know that little sea taste smell that.
I'm gonna be in
Aw. But
Yeah.
guys, we are trying to think of some content. We're trying to get stuff together because we want to do stuff with the kids too and make stuff more funny for you guys, more
Mhm.
laughable.
Yeah, and that's with my kids. You will be laughing. Seriously. That's my 3-year-old daughter. Yes. She is something else.
I
She's a
was thinking
handful.
one day we're gonna do a video,
Just let her by herself.
and I'm gonna let her start it off. You
Yeah.
guys, I'm not gonna say just her, all of them. They are so cute. I be hearing them like they all have their own cell phones or whatever, and I be hearing them when they be on their camera and they be like, "What's good, YouTube? We're back with another video." It's so cute. Like I know that they like the camera and all that stuff. There was nothing in there. Are you serious? I broke that up for nothing.
You got some of the ice money back.
All right.
You want to cheat me? I'm going to cheat you. Yeah. But that is nice and good.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, good.
I did good for my first try.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, I invited my mom over. Guess what happened? And I hope you watching this too, Mom.
You probably is.
My mom, I invited her over, guys. My mom, I'm not going to tell you guys her exact age, but my mom is in her 50s, okay? My mom is just now getting back in the dating scene. So
Yeah.
I invite my mom over for breakfast this morning and for dinner, for the crab legs. Because my mom likes crab legs too. Even though she's not supposed to have them, but she still likes them too. So I invite her over. I really, I didn't tell her like, hey mom, I'm making this for you. But I did say, hey mom, I would like for you to come over and have dinner with us. I'm making crab boil. So this morning, she's like, I'll be over there later, blah, 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 blah. I'm like, all
You're
right.
in love. Huh?
Right.
Mm.
So I'm like, okay. So I waited and waited and waited. She never showed. So then I think about maybe 3 or 4, I called her. I'm like, hey, mom, where are you? Oh, I'm at my boyfriend's house. I'm like, are you serious? I've been waiting on you all day.
Her boyfriend.
Guys, tell me why she goes, I told you I was waiting on him to call.
Yeah.
Are you serious? I'm like, oh my
You
God.
got a phone?
Right.
Let me tell you something else. Too old to my dating.
Well, the moral to the story, guys, she blew me off for her boyfriend or whoever.
Her side piece. Let me see blew you off for her side piece.
First time, honey.
Now, hope you listen too, mama. Hope you watching.
She gonna be like, oh, they talking about me? Also, guys, my mom's birthday is this month. I'm gonna try and get her something. I don't know what it is yet, but I'm gonna do something for her. My mom is like my biggest cheerleader, besides my kids and my husband. My mom helps me with a lot of stuff. Helps me through a lot of stuff. Oh, you popped one.
Uh, that's terrible. You know what? You cook these kind of soft shell. I mean, the shell's kind of soft.
What do you
I
mean?
mean, it's good though. I mean, how
No,
you opening them up?
I didn't do that.
Huh?
I looked it up.
That's what the shell.
It's
Usually the shell be hard.
it's something that you put in your stuff
Oh
to
yeah.
make it soft where you can just crack it open.
Oh, that's why you told me I didn't have that. I didn't have to have that crack.
I told you.
That's why I eat so many of
Oh my god, guys! When we first went out for crab legs, when I first took him out for crab legs, he didn't know how to open them.
them.
He was over there like popping all the meat out and everything. I'm like, no, you're wasting.
Those are place we had went. They had those small crab legs.
Yeah. Oh my god, I hate. That's what I hate too. If you go to an all-you-can-eat buffet or something like that, I feel like they should have a nice, decent size crab out like this. You know, don't bring me nothing like this. Bring me something like this so I can have enough meat.
Yeah, that was that place we had. Something like this here. It was small. Something
Yeah.
like, maybe a little small. Yeah. Well, we just wasted money right there.
And then you know what's crazy? I could have went to my brother's job and got some crab
Well,
legs,
that's right.
but
You don't know how what the size was.
right.
I ain't gonna see a crab like that.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. But I honestly think theirs are higher.
Huh?
I think theirs are higher.
But you can do it half price though.
Whew.
I mean, when he's there.
I'm sorry, guys, if it's a little loud. We have our fan, and then we have our dryer going, and then we have our water machine over here making noises too. So I'm sorry if it's kind of loud. We're trying to talk loud so you guys can hear us. I just really hope and pray the sound is not messed up on this one, because I'm not going to redo it, guys, to produce. I'm sorry.
Okay, he's right.
I hope it is. It should, because every time I record on here, everything's always good. It's just always when I go on the freaking computer. Oh!
Yeah, that's because the kids was messing with the computer.
Right. I'm going to get them their own computer. Also, guys, I'm going to start trying to bring you guys with me when I take the kids to the park and stuff like that. Kind of vlog. If you guys want me to vlog, leave a like in the down in there somewhere. I don't know. I just know it's down there. And for those of you who don't know what vlogging is, it's kind of like a video diary of what we do from day to day, and I will put it up online for you guys to see. Oh my god, I'm so good. Uh-oh.
Man, I probably would eat this whole pan of Ralph's with a little bit hungry. I would eat this whole pan. I thought, but it's a lot of them in here, baby.
I told you. I cooked like 9.
Like more than 9 of me.
Oh no, I count. Guys, let me tell you, I have OCD. Well, let me rephrase it. I have selective OCD. That means certain things kind of trigger my OCD. But with my food and stuff, I always count. Let's see, with my potato chips and stuff like that, I always count. So, I know I had 9 in there.
Okay, look. When you say 9, you talking 9
9
or
of
just
these.
the whole
Hmm.
row? Oh, okay.
9 whole clusters.
Everything you talk, right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9.
9 of those.
Hmm.
Right,
This is a whole fist of a crab.
right.
Oh
I got
God,
you now.
that
Okay.
spiciness
I'm
getting
thinking
in there.
like 1, 2,
No,
yeah. That's what I thought you sounded like.
these are actually good. I think I'm gonna start drinking these. I'm
Yeah.
trying to cut out soda, guys. I might do that with you guys too. Like I'm gonna try to start doing like exercises and walking and going to the gym and stuff like that. So I might try to record that too. I'm not really sure yet.
Yeah, because this pan here, I'm eating out of that tomorrow too. Seriously.
I think everybody's gonna try to eat out of that. Watch, Mama gonna come. More
Yeah, you
behind.
gonna be here.
She always like, no, eat my crab. You ain't got no crab.
Right. This is good, baby.
You
That's
through?
good. Yeah, I'm done now.
I'm gonna put this back. I'm gonna put it.
Right back. Yeah.
Police. Uh oh. I was at the police. Yeah. Blew through here.
Oh, I'll see.
It sounded like it. After this, I'm just gonna wrap it up, guys, because he's done. I'm done. It is. Oh my God! It is 2:40 in the morning. So yeah. And for those of you, I always say this. For those of you that always go, why do they record at 2 something in the morning? I record at 2 something or 1 something or whatever in the morning because I like for my kids to be asleep. Because I know that you guys have seen a couple of our videos where my
Yeah.
kids weren't asleep.
Yeah.
Listen, weren't asleep. And they come in the video whining and crying and trying to get all up in the video and stuff. So I like to wait till they're sleep. Oh my God, that's so
Knowing that
sexy.
they sleep. That's the problem, knowing that they sleep.
Right, that's why I say sleep.
But yeah,
Oh,
she made a good thing in there. It was good.
y'all see how many he ate?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm glad that you like it, baby.
Tomorrow, that's what I'm eating when I get off work. So make sure.
Yeah, it's enough for us to eat a couple of days, really.
Nah.
Well, with your
Did
self, I don't know.
you say the kids ate some of them too? And they went too hot?
They did, but they didn't really like. I mean, they wanted more of the
Mm.
crab legs, but everything else,
Right.
they didn't really
Oh no,
like.
that's what I'm saying. They ate the crab leg.
Mhm.
Yeah. So I know they can I know that's guy and dating some of y'all things. They love them. You know. Now I like it, when you got the corn with the.
I got all that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I like with the corn and shrimp sometimes, but the corn and the crab leg.
I really wasn't going to do the shrimp, but then I'm like, nah, I can't leave out my shrimp.
Right. That's what you put in your gumbo.
Gumbo.
Yeah. Make that with the gumbo. I mean, seriously, you can use all this here besides the egg. Yeah, you put all that in it.
Oh my God. So another thing that my sister and Amy was telling me, I could have put chicken winglets
Mm-hmm.
in it. Yeah, I said, I've never had that. But they said, girl, that's good. Try it. I said, I might try it next time. I said, I'm not going to do it this time.
You gonna mess it up. No. Look it up just like you got it now. I'm telling you, it's good, baby. I'm telling you.
Thank
It's
you.
just like it was.
So
in the restaurant.
you know what I'm going to start doing too? I have kids. Oh, well, you guys know that. But what I want to do for my kids, I want to start getting like those little things that the library have, and they have a little index cards in there.
Yeah.
And I want to start writing down all my good recipes. And when my kids get old enough to start cooking and stuff for themselves, I want to kind of pass that down to them.
Right.
Mainly my girls, because I don't think My son can cook.
Yeah, no, he don't cook, but he don't be into like recipe and stuff like that. So when his girlfriend ain't talking about she gonna leave it, he gotta cook himself.
Right.
So
Or go to the next girlfriend.
yeah, but he called himself Pretty Boy Floyd. He think he got all the girls. So
Hold on.
I don't know.
Oh crap. You wanna wrap it up and put it back in there for me? Make sure you put it in the refrigerator because I don't want it to spoil.
You wanna put it in the refrigerator now?
Yeah.
You want to make 2 more?
That's why I said I had it on like warm or whatever. That's why I said I had it on warm. Trying to do it like this so that stuff won't waste in our refrigerator. Hold on. I even gave my sister a plate, guys, and my niece. And my sister called over and she was like, "That was a really good." I'm like, "Thank you, Mom."
Oh, that's where you was going when you came that way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I said I wasn't stalking you.
Yeah.
I'm not a stalker.
You can't do funny stuff.
Yeah, I told you I had to come back and grab something and take it back over there. Okay, guys. So, I think that's it. Is that it for this video, baby? Is there anything you want us to talk about? Alright. Well, I think that's it.
Another shower.
Me too.
Lay back and relax and grip in one. What?
I am beat, guys. I am beat.
But, hey, it was time. What you guys like it when we just showed you?
I know you guys are probably like, where have you been? Where have you been? Yeah. We have been busy.
Yeah.
So, I know we said we're gonna
do it every week.
Post every week, every Sunday. I know we said that, but we're gonna try to do it like up in the week sometime, maybe when we don't have, like when my husband's week is slow at work, or when I'm kind of slacked off from doing things with the kids and everything. So, but other than that, we will be back. We won't make you wait as long this time, I promise. So, sorry, had to kill that too. So, are you gonna come help me tell them bye?
Peace.
Bye.
We'll see you next time. Love you guys.